After prior update through EMUI heavy UI optimization, this is a big new update about size, features and bug fix. Hey, I am Plok and you are watching CTech and Science. Today I am talking about what is the new in update in this details and what is the new features such as EIS ViLte, that is video over the LTE, ride mode which is enabled recently and how to use it. Also, what about the bug fix and how to improve your RAM management and RAM optimization, and what about the face unlock quality and PUBG like heavy gaming, and what about the extreme heating test. Also, let's start. Previously, when you restart the phone was automatically in the vibration mode, but after the new update it is normal. In this new update, a new wonderful feature has added, that is Volte video call. It is nicely working with the Jio. So a big thanks and a big like for the Honor developer. And also to our Facebook team for encourage the demand. You can join with us and you can write your expectation. Joining link has given in the description box. After this nice update, the electronic image stabilization is working outstanding. Difference is on the screen, but in 4K video has no EIS, although the quality improvement has done drastically. You can see the color contrast and the details in this video. Next is charging speed, which has increased after this update by 10%. Not only that, but also battery draining issue has fixed. As you see, after 5 minutes PUBG playing, there is no temperature has increased and no battery draining issue has found. Now PUBG is playing with ultra frame rate and HD graphics without lag. But remember, please on your performance mode in battery settings. Please inform me in the comment section who has received the performance mode from the Asia Pacific. Please note that 10 to 20% battery draining is natural after 1 hour of PUBG playing. Next, what about the face unlock and fingerprint unlock quality? Now performance of the face unlock is very good and basically too much improvement has done for the low light, and also the fingerprint performance and speed and accuracy also has improved. Always some friends have a query about the benchmark. I want to inform you that there is the result which is about 2 lakh over. Next feature, when you want to take a screen video record, if you want to record your own voice with it, then connect a headphone or mic or turn off the option when you record inner video sound from the screen. I think this is easier than earlier when you want to take a screen record and you want to take a clear sound from it. Next feature discuss, what about the RAM management? When you run an application and take out in a background, it should work after a minimum span of time. But in this Honor Play, it is working with GPU Turbo 2 with AI optimization. See the result. But you should remember, it has minimum refresh rate for the big applications. As my phone has 4 GB RAM only, but all the background applications is running perfectly, not only for a long, but also after the restart. Please see the result after restart. It is possible by the AI optimization. By these features, battery performance is much better than earlier. Next important features is added recently with this update. This is ride mode or bike mode. You can set it by the settings or in this gallery app. You can choose this option to answer by voice, text or directly deny. You can also choose the language which is given from here. You can select.
जिस व्यक्ति तक आप पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो इस समय बाइक चला रहा है और कॉल नहीं ले सकता। अगर कॉल इंतहाई जरूरी है तो कृपया 1 डायल कीजिए। The person you are trying to reach is riding a bike and cannot take a call at the
When you start your bike, you have to enable this option from here or from this gallery app. And if you want to know how much distance you visited, set it the GPS location with the distance unit. And when you turn on, these types of interface will be there. Now your call is automatically set for answer. For more updates, you can join with us. And what about your expectation? Please write in the comment section below. Your brother will always ready to answer. See you again with lots of love. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.